So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is JB23 vlog. So for today's video guys, I would like to share to you some of my techniques on troubleshooting on how to determine if one cylinder unit is in trouble or it has some problem, whether it has some leakage from the valve seats, valve spindles. As you can see guys, there is a hose and there's a water level going up and down, as you can see guys. So I would like to share to you on how to do it, how to determine. So in my experience guys, this is how we make this is practice on how to determine whether our cylinder unit has some leaks or some leaking valve. So without opening, overhauling or dismantling of the cylinder unit from stoppage position, we can determine that guys. As you can see, there is a bucket and there is a half content of water bucket, and there is a hose, and that hose guys, you have to connect in the indicator cock. Just tight it firmly, then put the water hose into the bucket with water guys, just to, as you can see, our engineer is opening the indicator cock, and then we have to turn it by the flywheel. So if the unit guys has some problem or it has some leaks in the valves, when you turn the flywheel, it will create vacuum if the unit is working properly. If there is no leakage, it will create vacuum guys. So how to know if the vacuum is properly created guys? So this water level will go up to the indicator cock. So that means that this unit has no problem. So we'll see once again guys. If the water didn't go up when you turn the flywheel, that means this engine has a problem. So that's it guys. So this is the procedure. Just connect the hose and tight it firmly, and connect the hose to the bucket with water, then put the unit piston to the bottom dead center, from top to bottom guys. Just rotate, operate the flywheel. You can see guys, as you can see, now this unit is good, this unit is performing good. As you can see guys, the water goes up and the unit creates vacuum. Okay guys, if the unit didn't create vacuum, that means some valves has problem, it has some problem with the valve. So this is the practice guys that I'm sharing to you. I hope you learn something on this technique guys. Maybe it may be helpful to you. I'm just sharing my experience and one of the effective techniques guys. So we're doing it to the rest of the unit cylinders, just to verify and to determine whether all these units are performing good, most especially if units our engine is always the low load. So we have to do this practice guys. So this maintenance is in accordance with our preventive maintenance system guys, that we need to check and we need to be sure that all this, that our engine is performing well. So by experience guys, this quite effective technique guys. So this type of engine, this is a Yanmar. You can do it in all types of generator engine guys, Daihatsu, Yanmar, and Himsin, or even MAN BW generator engines. So just do it, just very simple guys, and you will be amazed with the findings, the result. Just a simple technique on how to determine whether our engine has problem. So that's the procedure guys, very simple. So until here, I hope you learned something on this video guys. This is JB23 vlog. Thank you for watching. Stay safe everyone. Bye bye.